It's my hair. It's my hair, and can't nobody tell me otherwise, okay?
This one I bet you ja bada. Me I no get time I did bada. The cover my face, calling me bada. Big man with me, yeah bada. Anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm way. Plenty suffer we face. Just to make your money. But my people they go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want
be talking about this hair that I've had for over a year from BGMgirl hair. This is the Glueless Yaki HD 4x6 26-inch 180% Mongolian hair. I purchased this hair back on April of 2023 and I have been rocking it on and off, but I decided to, like, you know, revamp it up, wash it, straighten it, and as you guys can see, this is what we have. Oh my goodness, like the hair looks amazing. I was able to cut a little bit of layers so it could frame my face a bit better. I'm always afraid of cutting the hair because I feel like when I cut it, I always mess it up. But today, I didn't mess it up too bad. Let me know what you think down below. But I got this hair from BGMgirl Hair. The original price is like $228, but guess what? You have to wait when they go on sale, because when they go on sale and they have coupons, your girl paid $186. Okay, get it how you can. And this is a 4x6, so it's 4 here and it's 6 here. I will show you guys. So yeah, it goes from here to here, and I also like laid my baby hair, not my baby hair, I ain't got none, my edges, so that way if I were to go like this, or if the wind were to, you know, fly by, you could kind of see like, okay, this may be hers. The hair is still full even after having it for over a year. I wash it, I let it air dry, and this is my first time straightening it in a while because I usually just like do a quick straighten on the top and it's still kind of poofy. This hair is amazing. I absolutely love it. It does get a little bit tangled up in the back, a little bit matted up because it's so long. It's 26 inch, I'm 5'1" and a half, and it reaches like to the top of my booty, literally. And being now that I straighten it, I feel like it got longer. Like, look at this hair, you guys. After having it for a year, it's still full. It holds a curl very, very well. In my next video, I probably will curl it so you guys can see, but I'll probably insert a picture of when I curl the hair. So when you get the hair, it comes with like lace here, and people will try to tell you not to cut the lace, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, cut the lace. I don't think I bleached it. I think it came pre-bleached. I'm not quite sure. You can definitely use the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and a little bit of concealer for the part. This hair is amazing. This is perfect if you're just looking for something that is glueless. Literally, I see, we don't do glue around here. I'm not like you other girls. We don't do that, okay? We throw it on and we go, okay? Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy, okay? And being that it's glueless, I don't have to do too much, and it comes with like the strap in the back, so you can just throw it on and you go about your day. Now if you want to use a little bit of spray to tack it down, you can go ahead and do that. The wig is big, but if you try to tighten it up, it's gonna make it look like bunchy in the back, so I just let it be. Listen, I just throw it on, go about my day, come home, take it off, and do it again the next day. So yes, I love a 4x6. I love a 4x6. It's very easy for the day-to-day girl, the girl who don't know how to do wigs and stuff like that. I would definitely recommend this hair. And it is a beautiful yaki texture, so you could wear it in its natural state when it's like very, very full, and you could even curl it while it's in its natural state, or you can be a little girl like me and you can straighten it and you can look cute like you just got you a silk press. Okay, it's your hair, baby. It's my hair. It's my hair, and can't nobody tell me otherwise. Okay, like, look at this. You guys, I've had this hair for over a year and it's still doing good. I definitely recommend this hair. Check out BGMgirl Hair. I will have the link in the description box if you're interested. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just thought I would put you guys on game about a good wig that you can throw on by yourself, and it has that yaki texture that looks amazing. Like, do you guys see this? Like, I love this hair. I really want to cut some more layers into it, but I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Definitely check it out and let me know what you guys think of the hair. It does take about like a week once you place the order. It takes about like five days. Like, if you order it like on, well, it takes about like 5 to 7 days for you to get the hair. And they always have like coupons and deals happening, so definitely check it out and let me know how you enjoyed it. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to come back for more. We try to post every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Honey, okay, this hair is coming straight from my scalp, okay, straight from my scalp, okay. Who is Lace? We don't know her. We're not like you other girls. We don't know her.